Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn chapter 3, how to use Windows 7. Windows 7 is one of the most popular operating system softwares. The other major operating systems in use are Linux, Unix, Mac OS and MS DOS. Windows 7 is made by one of the world's topmost software development companies called Microsoft. It is very easy to use. In this software, you give the commands to your computer simply by clicking on the mouse button instead of using a keyboard. Features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has a graphical user interface, that is GUI. That means you do not have to remember all the commands. As it is a GUI, most of the work is done by the mouse. It provides what you see is what you get environment. It allows you to run several programs at the same time. It is very easy to learn and understand. Now, how to start Windows 7? When you switch on the computer, it looks out for the Windows 7 stored in your computer. As soon as the operating system is found, it starts loading it into its main memory. After some time, the following screen appears, which is called the desktop as shown in the picture. Desktop is the first screen that appears when you turn on the computer. On the desktop, there are small pictures which represent different programs. These are called icons. Some commonly seen icons on the desktop are computer, recycle bin, my document, network, etc. Now, how to sort the icons? Sorting the icons means arranging the icons on the desktop. To sort the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right click at any blank area of the desktop. A pop-up menu will appear. Click the sort by option. Step 2. Click the choices given in the menu to arrange the icons in that order. Now, how to hide the desktop icons? You can hide all the icons on the desktop. To hide the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right click at any blank area of the desktop. Click on the view option from the pop-up menu. Step 2. From the sub menu, click on the show desktop icons to uncheck it. All the icons on the desktop become invisible. You can bring back the desktop icons by clicking the show desktop icons option in the pop-up menu. Next is taskbar. At the lower side of the monitor screen, there is a bar called taskbar. It has start button on its left side and a notification area showing current date and time on its right side. When a program is opened, its button appears on the taskbar. So if you open many programs together, many buttons will appear on the taskbar. You can click these buttons to move from one program to another. Show desktop button on the right side minimizes all the open programs and displays the desktop. Now, how to change the position of taskbar? You can change the position of taskbar and place it at any one of the four sides of the screen. To change the position, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right click on the taskbar and uncheck the lock the taskbar option by clicking on it. Step 2. Now drag the taskbar to any side of the screen to change its position. Using My Computer. The My Computer program is a tool that lets you see everything that is stored in your computer. It is useful for finding, organizing, and storing files in your computer, as shown in the picture. You can open the My Computer program by double clicking on the My Computer icon on the desktop as shown below. Once you have double clicked on the icon, the following window will appear. How to start a program? You can start any program in Windows 7 using the Start button. When the Start button is clicked, a menu is opened called Start menu. This menu is divided into two parts. The left pane allows the access to the various applications or programs, and the right pane has features like control panel, libraries, etc. Now there are some mouse pointer shapes. See, first one, busy. It means that the computer is busy and wants you to wait. Next is double-headed arrow for resizing the window or pictures. Next, normal for pointing, selecting and dragging the items on the screen. Number 4, four-headed arrow for moving pictures and toolbars. Next is I-beam for inserting text in the document. Number 6, working in background. It means that computer is processing while you are working. The shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the actions we perform. Now, how to change the desktop background? Following the steps, you can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice. Step 1. Right click anywhere on the desktop. You will find the list of options. This is called shortcut menu. Step 2. Select the personalize option. The personalized dialog box will appear. Step 3. Click on desktop background. A new window with multiple images will appear. Step 4. Select any background from the displayed list. A preview of the selected background will appear on the monitor. Step 5. Click on Save Changes button and close the dialog box after selecting the background. Now, how to shut down Windows 7? When you shut down the computer completely, you should shut down Windows before turning off your computer. Step 1. Click on Start button. The Start menu will appear. Step 2. Click on Shutdown button in the right pane of the Start menu. Windows 7 shuts down and turns off the computer. It is very important to start up and shut down a computer properly. And here chapter 3 ends. Thank you.